Hello you guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chocolate lovers cake. And it's just chocolate lovers, so you know you got to have a lot of chocolate, different stuff. So we're going to need 2 boxes of cake, your choices of pans. You need non-stick baking spray. Make sure it's non-stick and it's baking, because that'll make sure nothing in the pan will stick. Some chocolate yogurt, some chocolate jello mix, of course some chocolate chips. You need 8 eggs. So 2 cups of milk and half a cup of oil. So we go ahead and put the chocolate in here. The cake mix. Oh, we got the stuff for the icing, but I'll put the link below because I already showed you how to make the icing. So with this, like I told you before, chocolate icing in a whip, but that's in another video. I have it below. Same recipe for making your icing taste better. It's just a different flavor. And I will put that link below to show you. So before we do anything else, we're going to spray these pans and just set them over to the side. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. So 2 cups of milk. Just a spoonful. This is a big box, so I'm going to use half of this, but I'm going to put half of that in there. Go ahead and put your chocolate yogurt. Did y'all even know they made chocolate yogurt? I don't know, I'm not a yogurt fan. Your 8 eggs. $12 ounces. I would use half of it. Now we're going to go ahead and whip all this. Get our pans. Like, I don't know how to fill a pan. So we're gonna, like this, so I can flatten down. Look, I done. Now remember, this is chocolate lovers, so go ahead and just, it ain't gonna hurt. But take your spoon and pat it like that. Now go ahead and put this in the oven. And how you test it is, let me see what the box say, because I usually just go by and check it, but 36 minutes, but you want to stick a butter knife in the middle. If nothing comes off, that means it's ready. If something comes on there, that means it's not ready. Then we come back, we'll do the icing and everything else. Lovely technology. I am going to wrap these up and ice them tomorrow. So don't worry about it. Yes, just wrap them up. You can wrap them up with aluminum foil, let them sit out overnight, and ice them in the morning. Yes, we are back. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the cake. Now see how it's coming over? You just take a knife and just go straight across. We're going to save this. I'm just going to do this around the edges. I'm going to take this see, now go ahead and cut your other one. Now I already did a video on how I do my icing, so you can follow that step, but the only extra thing I did do was add the rest of the chocolate chips, and I added some Hershey's chocolate topping to it just to make it a little darker. Now go ahead and layer your cake. Now we're going to take this Hershey chocolates and drizzle it on there. Remember, this is a chocolate loving. Well, you know what? I didn't even put the other. We're going to clean this up, and I want you to put this in the refrigerator. Go ahead and clean this up. Okay, here is the final cake. Look at it. Let me know how you make your chocolate lovers cake, and I will show you how it looks in the inside. Thank you for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen, showing you how I make my chocolate lovers cake. Yes, nothing but chocolate. Look at the inside of that cake. Let me know how you make your chocolate lover cake, and thank you for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen.